In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manually resize images in HubSpot content. So to do this, you need to head over to the Content tab or choose between website pages and landing pages. Let's head over and choose right here this home page. So let's open it right here. Now open the tab or to the page that you have that particular image. As you can see, I have in here this image. So as you can see, when you click on it, it will show you the image itself, and in here you can see the size. So if you want to actually resize it, you can choose exact width and height instead of automatically adjusting. Once you actually add right here the exact width and height, you can click onto this particular image. As you can see, there is no drag and drop button for this. So if you want to manually resize it, you can input right here the actual width and height that you want. For example, let's input 50. And you can also increase it according to your liking. For example, let's make it 750. And it will be resized to that you have inputted. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.